Hello folks. In today's video, we are going to discuss Polkadot Network Protocol. It's KNL here, let's roll. What is Polkadot and what is its purpose? Firstly, we should look at the bigger picture. Today we have those tremendous amounts of different blockchains that solve various problems and are quite handy, but the main reason why we are still not using blockchains on an everyday basis is that they are not connected properly. Think of it as a personal computer and internet. Many years ago, there was no internet, so computers had only local networks where they could exchange data. When the internet was delivered, computers started to share data worldwide. It led to the drastic development of technology. Polkadot makes it easier than ever to create and connect decentralized applications, services, and institutions, so think of Polkadot as the internet of blockchains. Take a look at the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot unites a network of blockchains called Parachains and part threads. These chains connect to and are secured by the Polkadot relay chain. They can also connect with external networks via bridges. Parachains are sovereign blockchains that can have their own tokens and optimize their functionality for specific use cases. They will have characteristics specialized for their use cases and the ability to control their own governance. Parathreads are similar to parachains, but those blockchains don't want the continuous connection to the network, so they pay only for the time they are temporarily connected. Bridges allow parachains and parathreads to connect and communicate with external networks like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Last but not least, relay chain, the Polkadot itself. The heart of the system is responsible for the network security, consensus, cross-chain interoperability. It's built with Substrate, a blockchain building framework that is the distillation of Parity Technologies' learnings building Ethereum, Bitcoin, and enterprise blockchains. Polkadot State Machine is compiled to WebAssembly, WASM, a super-performant virtual environment. WASM is developed by major companies, including Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Mozilla, that have created a large ecosystem of support for the standard. Polkadot's networking uses lib2p, a flexible cross-platform network framework for peer-to-peer applications. Positioned to be the standard for future decentralized applications. lib2p handles the peer discovery and communication in the Polkadot ecosystem. The Polkadot runtime environment is being coded in Rust, C++, and Golang, making Polkadot accessible to a wide range of developers. Here's some interesting Polkadot features. Better security model. In both proof-of-work and proof-of-stake systems, blockchains compete with each other over resources to secure their networks, and blockchains are easily attacked until they develop a significant community to support their network. Polkadot takes a different approach by letting blockchains pool their security, which means that the blockchain's security is aggregated and applied to all. By connecting to Polkadot, blockchain developers can secure their blockchain from day one. Green energy efficient protocol. It's hard to get behind blockchain as the next technological revolution when it wastes so much energy. Polkadot is designed to power the web's next big wave of innovation, without the high energy consumption of conventional proof-of-work blockchains. Transparent on-chain governance. Updates to the protocol happen fork-free via transparent on-chain voting, so protocol development never stalls due to the lack of a clear process. The relay chain uses a sophisticated governance mechanism that is designed to establish a transparent, accountable and binding process for resolving disputes and upgrading the network. Grandpa, a trustworthy consensus algorithm. Polkadot uses its original Grandpa, ghost-based recursive ancestor-deriving prefix agreement, consensus for a more secure and resilient network. Under good network conditions, Grandpa can finalize blocks nearly instantly. Under bad network conditions, like a network partition, Grandpa can finalize large quantities of blocks, theoretically millions, at once when the partitions resolve. Polkadot today is a constantly developing protocol. Network mentioned and discussed before is a final point, but before being enabled by Polkadot's network governance, Parachains will be tested and optimized both on Parachain testnets and on Kusama. Once the code has been fully tested, audited and benchmarked, and Parachains are running smoothly on Kusama, Polkadot governance can enable Parachains and begin Parachain slot lease auctions. Parachain slots will be auctioned one by one, with each auction lasting about 1 week. We will be watching over this project and deliver latest news and updates, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos.